Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to share an impressive 2-minute Independence Day speech that is easy to remember and perfect for students. So let's start it. Respected principal, honorable teachers, dear guests and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to wish everyone a very happy Independence Day. Today, we proudly celebrate the freedom that our brave freedom fighters won for us through their immense courage, sacrifice, and determination. On 15th August 1947, India broke the chains of British rule and began its journey as an independent nation. We remember great leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Rani Lakshmibai, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and countless unsung heroes who devoted their lives to the nation. Their sacrifices remind us that freedom is a priceless gift and also a great responsibility. Our national flag is a symbol of our pride and unity. The saffron color stands for courage, white represents peace and truth, green symbolizes prosperity, and the Ashok Chakra inspires us to keep moving forward with honesty and hard work. As students, we may not fight battles on the borders, but we can serve our country by studying sincerely, respecting our elders, protecting the environment, following rules, and helping those in need. Every small act of kindness and responsibility makes our nation stronger. Let us promise today to be honest, disciplined, compassionate, and proud citizens of India. Together, we can build a nation that is educated, united, innovative, and prosperous. On this special day, let us salute our brave soldiers, honor our freedom fighters, and work together to make India shine brighter than ever. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you. Hey everyone, I hope you found this speech helpful. Remember, a good speech is not only about the words, it is also about the way you present that speech. Hey friends, if this video is useful for you, then please do like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.